Hey Warriors, I'm going to take just a few minutes to walk you through the process on how you will request courses for the 2022-2023 school year through PowerSchool. There are a few things that you'll need to do and a few things you'll need to look at while you're registering. One thing is you need to make sure you look through your historical grades for your entire high school career. For example, for upcoming 10th graders, you need to look through what courses you took your 9th grade year so you're not registering for the same courses. Also, you need to make sure that you are requesting courses that are next in the sequence of courses you are taking. For example, if you took geometry in 9th grade, then the next course in that sequence would be Algebra 1. Another document you'll need to look at is the course description guide that is located on the Russell County High School website. This gives you some information on what courses we offer, what pathways you can take in career tech. So that is a very useful tool for you to look at as well. Another thing we're going to give you is a check sheet so you can write down what courses you want to register for before you get to this process of registering and requesting courses online. So right now what I'm going to do is walk you through the process when it is time to actually request the courses. Over on the left-hand side, you're going to see the different subject areas that you are going to request courses for. We also have some instructions for you. For example, for 10th grade English, it says, please select one 10th grade English course from this list. You can see down here under Career Tech Electives, it says, please select up to 4 Career Tech electives you would like to take next year. So it says up to 4 Career Tech electives, but you'll notice over here there's a green check box, and I'll tell you about that a little bit more, but you don't have to actually request any Career Tech courses. But these are the instructions that tell you what you need to do. So let's go through an example. So for 10th grade English, to select the course, you'll click on this pencil over here, and anything with a red exclamation point means you have not fulfilled this requirement yet. So you'll click the pencil and say you were an honors student and you were taking honors English 9 and you scored an A or a B, or if you were in regular English in 9th grade and scored an A or B and would like to challenge yourself and take an honors course, select that. Press OK. You'll notice that the red exclamation point turned to a green checkbox. It also shows what course that you selected right here. Then you move down to science. And if you took honors biology in 9th grade and you want to continue down the honors science track, choose human anatomy and physiology honors. Or if you do not want to take an honors course, you can select physical science. Again, you see the red exclamation point turned into a check mark. Click OK. 10th grade math. You have Algebra 1 with probability or Algebra 1 with probability honors. You have Algebra 2 if you ended up taking Algebra 1 in 8th grade. So you'll select the course in your sequence. Same with social studies. Now you see with foreign language, it says you may select up to 1 foreign language course but are not required to request any of the following courses. So if you would like to take Spanish 1, your 10th grade year, select it. Same with Career Tech. If, say, you were in JROTC, Let 1, your 9th grade year, and you would like to continue taking JROTC, your 10th grade year, select that. And also notice down here there are 3 different pages, so there are lots of courses that you can choose from. So please be aware of that. 10th grade fine arts electives. Say you want to take guitar, and maybe you took theater in 9th grade and you want to take the next theater class. You can click General Electives. Here are a few different electives we offer, like History through Film. And you can see down here you've already requested 9 credit hours. we would like for you to request up to 12 credit hours. So what you'll need to do is choose a few different things. So let's maybe look here for alternate courses. So these, the courses that you selected up here are courses that you would prefer to take. The alternate courses are ones, if you don't get one of your preferred choices, these would be appropriate second options. So say you would like to take a PE elective, maybe African American Studies, maybe AP Computer Science. You can go on to the next page. Maybe you heard some good things about the Hospitality and Tourism and Culinary program. So we've selected 4 courses already. So if you look down here, again, we have already requested multiple courses. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 courses that we have requested. So that kind of fulfills the at least 12 courses that we want you to register for. So that's how you actually go through the request process. If you have any questions, you can talk to your teachers. But again, this is just a video walking you through the request process. Thank you.